What is up, people? Good morning. Are you able to hear me and see me well? Please confirm that in the live chat right now. I want to make sure we have some good audio and good sound, of course, as usual. And welcome to this live streaming. It's going to be about 30 minutes, but basically, we're going to cover everything in regards to BLWFX tool. Yeah, I do have some good audio. I have the testing right here. And again, welcome to this brand new live streaming for the BLW channel. And in this specific streaming, I'm going to give you a tutorial and all the details and answer all of your questions in regards to the brand new BLW FX tool, which is the brand new Forex app that will be launched next Tuesday, December 1st, and it's gonna be crazy. Trust me, I've been looking forward for this application for a long time. I've been back testing this strategy for a long time, and it's actually time to make some money. So if you guys are joining in this streaming or watching this on the replay, make sure you smash the like button to support this YouTube channel as usual. So let me know in the live chat where you're saying hi from so that I know what audience I have this morning. It would be amazing. Sorry about that. Awesome. Thank you, Ivan Freire, for letting me know that everything is okay. Thank you, Khaled. Jeremiah from Nigeria says, I started trading with $10. Now I'm having $50. God will not let you down, Christian. Thank you. I don't know if that was because of any of the strategies or something, but I'm glad that you're making money. That's basically the point. I don't care if you do it with BLW or you're doing it yourself. The point is that you guys change your lives forever. So hey, from India, Mexico, how you doing? 5 p.m. There in Egypt. Nice. Nigeria, India, night in India, Croatia. I think it's I don't know what it says, how to say it. Egypt, UK, Ghana, 4:04 p.m. Where in Nigeria? Nice. So it's pretty much afternoon for you guys. It's 9 a.m. for me in this side of the world. Probably the one in Mexico also has around the same schedule. Sri Lanka, how's it going? South Africa, nice to see you all. Smash the like button as soon as you join. Smash the like button, show the support to this YouTube channel. So wow, it's been what, probably like 4 months since I mentioned that I was developing a brand new Forex application. Probably more, I'm not sure. But there has been a lot of things going on when it comes to the BLW in general, such as changes, such as improvements, such as so many things, the pandemic and so on. And I've been trying to make as many things as possible in order to help you guys out, make some money, which is basically the point of this YouTube channel. And after a lot of work into this application, I'm ready to share with you. And right now, I'll go ahead and share my screen so that you guys can check it out. I don't even know where to put my screen. I think I'm gonna put it here so that you guys can see that I have the live chat over here in the left side of my screen, and I also have the regular charts right here, or the application. Now, we're gonna start by letting you guys know what is this application. For those of you who haven't watched any of my videos, I appreciate that, David, for I don't know what's that, a donation or something like that, Romania, like super chat or something. If you guys have questions, this is the moment to shoot them, because the next video that you'll see in regards to this app is gonna be next Tuesday, and it's gonna be launching. So ask as many questions as you guys want, no problem at all. And yeah, as I was mentioning, this is a Forex application that basically what it does is that this is an MT4. It's not going to work in MT5. It's just for MT4. And I don't know, like, I hope that's really clear. Like, it's not going to work for MT5. There are many reasons as to why is it that it's not going to work for MT5. If you guys want to, I can let you guys know. But basically, this is a very easy to use application. So once you actually install it, once you actually get it, you're gonna get a license code so that you can install it. Now, first thing that you gotta know is that it will be attached to only one broker or one account number. Okay, I hope that makes sense. It's gonna be just one account number. So make sure that you install it on the one that you're gonna be using. Actually, at the moment that you get it, we're gonna request you for the account number of the MetaTrader 4 platform that you're gonna be using, and then you can attach it. You can attach it in the same broker that you're gonna be trading with, or just in a broker that you're gonna use for signals, and then apply the signals manually somewhere else. It's really up to you. What is it that you wanna do? Let me look at the live chat real quick. Namibia, the US, Timothy, how you doing? Sir, good afternoon. Please, can I deposit $100 as a beginner base on your post on Telegram? You said risk reward is 3%. It's actually 3.0. Is it that if average pips is 50, then will be the take profit 5 times 3? That's correct. That's correct. If you lose, you lose 50 pips, and if you win, you win 150 pips. That's basically the risk reward that I'm talking about. What would be the price? I'm gonna jump into it in just a little bit. You're looking a little exhausted, Chris. Hopefully everything's well. No, I'm actually doing really good. Probably exhausted from yesterday, because yesterday I was kind of tired. But other than that, I'm actually feeling pretty cool. But thank you. What's the price? I'm going to let you guys know at the end of the streaming. I'll have some results with signals from BLW trading if I use IQ option, just Forex, because binary isn't available in my country. I recommend you to use a different broker for Forex, such as IC Markets, AvidTrade, eToro, and so on. Hi from South Africa. How you doing? So as I was saying, so this is going to be an MT4 platform, MT4 application. Then you can move it whatever you want. You can just use it on a different and trade manually on a different broker. Whatever you prefer is good. It's really up to you. You guys are free to do anything you guys want with the application, except for using it on more than one broker. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Now, how is it that it's going to work? It's just as simple as any of the other applications that I have given you, and you're gonna get an alert like this arrow right here, and then all you need to do is enter the trade on a sell position, and boom, it dropped. Obviously right now it kind of jumped, but here's the deal. The way that I'm thinking about doing it is that for the people who purchase this specific application, we're gonna have some exclusive webinars that we are going to, what we're going to do is we're gonna have a live streaming or a live webinar on the different platform, not here on YouTube. And then you're gonna be able to attend and ask as many questions. And I'm gonna teach you exactly how to set the take profit and the stop loss. Because look, it's different from Euro USD to USD CHF. The pips are different. Okay, 10 pips on Euro USD is not the same as 10 pips on USD CHF. Does that make sense? It's completely different. As well as USD JPY, for instance. The JPY currency actually gives you a whole different world in pips, so it's different. If you trade gold, for instance, you'll see that you can make 500 pips and you're not making any money whatsoever. So we're gonna have those streamings so that you actually get the idea as to how you said that you're supposed to do it. It's pretty damn simple though, because I'm going to give you full training as to how to use average to range, how to calculate how many pips is it that you should place in stop loss. And according to the stop loss, then you can move your take profit to have at least 1.5 to 3.0 risk reward ratio, which is super profitable. Just for those of you who are very new in Forex and you don't know what risk reward is that in binary options, whenever you win a trade, you make around 70% return on your investment, right? In Forex, the risk reward ratio basically tells you how much money you can make against how much you are willing to lose. So if you risk, let's say $10, but your risk reward ratio is 2.0, that means that you can make double what you're risking to lose. So if you lose $10, that's fine. But if you win $20. Does that make sense? So what the app is actually aiming at is actually to have at least a 1.5 to 3.0 risk reward ratio that you can easily see right here. This is the signal. My stop loss would have been around this area, and my take profit would have been around this area. So if you notice, it did touch the take profit. This is obviously just a quick example, but for all of my students that are part of this specific application, I'm going to start having the streamings next Tuesday. I think it's gonna be on Wednesday, because I want to give at least 24 hours for you guys to get the application, to install it, and so on. But basically on Wednesday, most likely we're gonna start having some live streamings. At least I'm gonna have 5. The first students, of course, are going to have free access and exclusive access to these webinars. And there I'm going to teach you exactly how to set the take profit and the stop loss. Hopefully we can get some signals at the same time as well, so that we can, enter the position and so on. But one of the coolest things in regards to this app is that it's not just about one. Look, I'm looking at a 1 hour ratio. I'm sorry, 1 hour rate, 1 hour time frame, whatever you want to call it. And take a look at how many signals we actually gotten. You don't get signals every single day and bunch of signals every single day, but you're gonna get some precise signals. And that 3.0 risk reward, it's nothing compared that you can actually take to 10.0 risk reward. So in one trade that you were risking $100, you can easily make $1,000. These are not going to be day trading signals like these ones that are going to be super good. Probably they're going to be considered swing trades, because they're going to take around 2 or 3 days. But take a look at the profit. Let's see some examples. I'm on Euro USD right now. So this is where the signal actually came along. Depending on what's the ATR, the average true range, probably, I don't know, let's say that the price was actually here, the stop loss, then you probably lost that trade. We're going to learn that in the training, but assuming that the stop loss is in this area, and this is the entry point, the 3.0 will be around this area. So if you notice, it did hit the take profit, right? Same thing with this one right here. This one, and let's say that the stop loss is right here. It depends on the ATR that I'm going to teach you in the training. And this is going to continue moving all the way up. And the 3.0 would probably be around right here. There you go. You don't have to put the take profit like right straight away in the 3.0. You can actually just be using trailing stop all the way up. Take a look at this one right here. Probably the stop loss was around this area. It never went in that direction. So the 3.0 is around right here. But this is the example. So once it goes like right here, you can move the stop loss to this area. Then it continues to drop. Then you move the stop loss again to this area. Then it drop, but boom, you made some money. Does that make sense? I'm sorry that I'm going too fast, all right? This is not how the training is going to look like. Obviously, in the training, where it's going to be a lot more interactive. We're going to have questions. Even I might have just live questions, by someone who has a lot of questions. I can give you the microphone. You can start asking the questions and so on. It's going to be super interactive. And the point of these trainings is that you get the best out of these applications. Okay, let me just go ahead and get through the questions real quick. My FX account with Octafx, can I use it? Yes, you can if it has an MT4. As long as it has an MT4, you're good to go. We have 3-ball news. Oh, when we have 3-ball news, do not trade with the currency or all currencies. I would say all currencies, but just avoiding that one currency is good. Hello, Chris. Does it work on Android or iOS? This is a good question. Once you actually have it installed on your MT4, yes, you can link it to your phone or tablet, and you can get the notifications in there. The only thing is that you need to have the window opened on your computer, or get a VPS and have it working 24/7 for you, so it will send you the signals. And I'm gonna give you a tutorial as to how to get a VPS so that you don't have to have your computer on. It will automatically just keep on rolling. You do have to pay, I think it's $14 per month for having a VPS, but it will continue going 24/7 in your phone. How do you know how long to put the trade in for? No, it doesn't work for binary options. This is a Forex app, 100%. Okay, it doesn't work for binary options. So thank you very much for your questions, right? If you're just joining in or you're watching this on the replay, make sure you smash the like button. I'm putting this webinar as well over there and webinar GM so that you can watch it as many times as you can or as you want. Basically because I want you to fully understand how the app is going to work. And this is part of the free training that I'm giving you, trying to explain you what it is so that you fully understand whether this is good for you or not. Now, is this for beginners? Absolutely freaking yes. I mean, I'm going to teach you exactly where to click every single button. And I'm going to be using, I think I'm going to be using Forex.com and IC Markets as my brokers in order to teach you how to place those trades, and of course using TradingView so that you can compare and get the best out of these applications. Okay, now one of the coolest things in regards to it is, like I said, I'm using it in 1 minute and 1 hour, I'm sorry, and I recommend you to use it in 1 hour. You can use it in 15 minutes, but the volatility changes. Okay, and if the volatility changes, then it's kind of harder for you to make money. It's pretty much like gambling. So if you notice right here, we enter one position, it's really looking good. Then we have a sell position that was kind of bouncing around. This is like the lowest. Then we have another buy position that reached all the way to this level. Then we have this sell crazy position that's probably because of the news. We have another buy position that we're all the way over here. This is a sell position that is actually starting to drop. So yeah, it does work with every single time frame, but like I said, I don't really recommend it for less than 1 hour, but it's really up to you. I'm going to train you in all time frames. Okay, with 15 minutes it will be more like day trading specifically, and even if you go to 5 minutes you will be able to scalp. But if you notice the drops, this is a jump, but this is no drop, this is no jump, and this is kind of a drop. So I mean, you're gonna be risking too much, you're gonna be just gambling. So I'd rather stay to 1 hour candles. I hope that really makes sense and that you agree with me that it's better to be patient and just make money than just, you know, rush into placing any trades that you guys want. How many brokers can we use on these amazing tools? Only one broker. You will be able to install the application with only one broker. This is of course to protect the privacy of the application so that, you know, you can't really share it and so on. You don't really need it in more than one broker though. So, you know, sweet, thank you. I'm in the USA and looking to do standard options. Trace Reaper, yes, this is going to be available in the US as well, anywhere in the world. Okay, you only need to find the broker that is going to work for you, which is Oanda. I think it has MT4, so you can use it. How can I set the expiration time in Forex trading? You don't have an expiration time in Forex. You actually manage pips. So you let the trade know when to close and when to, you know, open. And again, how much is the app, sir? I'm going to jump right now in about 2 minutes. How do I get the app? What's the cost of the app? The app will be available in a website that I will share. When is this going to be launched? On Tuesday, December 1st, 14 GMT. December 1st, 14 GMT, this new app is going to be available online. I'm going to post a video at that time letting you guys know how to get it. Could we have a different notification sound for this app? Turbo and 2 minutes. I don't even know if that's possible, but don't worry because the 2 minutes and the 5 minute app and the Turbo app is actually on MT5 and this one's on MT4. So you're gonna differentiate that. How much is the app? Let you guys know right now. What's the best frame that work with? I find it more profitable and easier to use in 1 hour. Easier because it gives you a lot more time to enter the trade. Even if you get, let's say that you get the signal right here, but you were sleeping, right? This is 1 hour candle, 2, 3, 4. 4 hours later, you're like, oh my God, I lost the trade. No, or I missed the trade. No, because you have a new entry point. You can enter here, and as you can see, obviously around 24 hours later, you were in profit. And yeah, even though it took longer, it gave you enough time to enter the trade. You didn't miss it. Does that make sense? So yeah, this is more like a background. You need to have it on the background and keep on doing what you're doing. And then, just when you get the signal, you enter and that's it. And you can have as many pairs open as you want to. Like I have 4 pairs right here. BLW Turbo a sale at Black Friday. Oh, that's a whole different topic, but stay tuned to the social media, the Binary Living Way Facebook page and the BLW Online Trading Instagram page. All both links in the description. There, my team will provide with all the offers that are going to be available this Black weekend. It's going to be super cool. So you guys have any other question in regards to the functionality of it? Who's excited about getting this app, and who's going to be with me in the live trainings that I'm going to have starting December 2nd, where I'm going to fully train you live how to use this application so that you can be part of it, so that you can start making money. Look, December is going to be a month of practice, of course, because craziness is all over the place with volatility. But January 2021 is going to be our year. 2021 is going to be our bitch. Does that make sense? So you need to start getting trained. All right. Like this isn't a race. This is a marathon. So you can start right now from zero on January 1st with real money, getting ready all to start making money and start really making some progress next year. Imagine that in January, you start increasing your account 10, 20% a month. And at the end of the year, if you start with $1,000, then you're going to be with $25,000 or so on. Does that make sense? It's crazy, but this is what you need to do. You need to start getting busy. You need to start working your ass off. Okay? Chris, can we still get the Academy for free if we purchase the BLW product? Yes. Let's say I get 1 month in Signal Room. Can I get the free? Yes. Yes, the BLW Trading Academy is now 100% free for anyone who gets any BLW product. Again, the reason of that, and of course, including the BLW FX tool. The reason of that is because I need you guys to get educated. Many people are getting just the application and not getting educated, okay? I understand that you want to make money and sometimes you don't have enough money to purchase both of them. So you know what? To me, the most important thing is that you get educated. So once you get any product, the BLW Trading Room, the BLW Turbo Strategy or so on, any product, you get the Academy for free. Why? Because I want you to get educated, but go through it. Go through the training, understand all the basics, understand how to trade, and then I guarantee you that you're gonna have some better results with any product from BLW or anywhere in the world with day trading. Okay, awesome. Evangeline will be with me in the beginning of the year, and hopefully you guys are able to join me as well. So the most common question in this chat: what is going to be the price? Look, these indicators that are available online are usually around $800 to $1,000, and I don't even know why, because I have tested some of them. I remember that I review a few indicators: Infinity Scalper, I think, Trend, Rapid Trader, or something like that. I remember I traded like 3 that were like $200 each, and they were not good at all. Okay, they were not good at all. Now, obviously, I did a research as to what would be the price of a good application such as this one. And considering the fact that if you start with a $100 account and you start taking these trades, you're going to double up your account pretty damn fast. In about 3 months, you will be like $500 in profit if you're wise enough to actually follow those instructions. Then I ran into the price of around $600. But I did mention on a previous streaming, if I'm not mistaken, or a previous video, I remember, that I'm not going to sell it for more than $300 because I know that's a decent amount that someone will take this app seriously, right? So I came back with my team and so on, and we decided to give it a promotional price of $249.99. Now, with this price, this is lifetime, of course. You're going to get the app. You're going to get my full training in regards to the app, of course. And you're also going to get the BLW Trading Academy. So the BLW Trading Academy real price is actually $109.99. There you go. And this one, it has a price around $599.99. This is an $800 product that you're actually getting for $249.99. You're saving around $549.99, which I do think that it's decent. Many people would say, no, it's too expensive. No, Chris, you should. But the truth is that, look, this is a business and you got to take it seriously. All right. Try to open a restaurant with $200 and see how that goes. Try to open a barbershop with $200 and see how that goes. Okay. So this is going to be available for a lifetime. Obviously, the offer will be the whole December, but I don't know how long I'm going to continue using it. Probably then it's going to be the regular price. I'm not 100% sure. And as usual, I'm going to limit to only 100 students per month so that I can really dedicate some time to answer questions. And hey Chris, would you be launching an auto trader soon for this app? For this app, no. But I do have an application, an auto trader. I'm just gonna give you a sneak peek in it. But the results are not really, you can see all the red and you're gonna be, whoa, it's crazy. But some of the reds are actually in profit because I've been using some trailing stop for the app. But honestly, I'm not getting the results that I want. Okay, so I'm still doing some changes. The point of this auto trader is to be not accuracy but profitability when all the trades are combined. But don't worry on that. Let's just wait for now. Only the application will be pretty much more than good enough for you, so yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this streaming and hopefully you guys can join me next Tuesday at launch at December 1st, 14 GMT. And if you enjoyed this content of this live streaming, make sure you smash the like button. I do appreciate that you guys were here in this live streaming. This is very short, but now you fully understand how this application works and you can decide whether it's good for you. If you're in the launching page right now, because this is a free training that I'm putting in the launching page, now you know what it is. If you make up your mind, there are going to be buying options all over the place in the website. And if you still need time to think about it or something like that, go ahead and take your time. This is not an easy decision. A lot of people decide not to go into the way of making money. A lot of people decide to go to a 9 to 5 again, going back. And that's fine. It's not something bad, but it's really your choice. If you're tired of being on a 9 to 5, if you're tired of having a steady paycheck or not having enough money, then tools like this one are going to help you get there. Probably, I don't know, you tried a tool, but it wasn't really that good for you, then try something else. But in business, you only need to be right once, okay? You can make as many mistakes as you want, but if you're right once, your life changes forever. So hopefully, I'm able to help you in some way in order to make money with you. And if I am, I'm here to help. So thank you very much for being in this live streaming, people. Keep on enjoying your day. And